Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage email marketing campaigns in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we would need to do is go here in settings at the bottom left of our screen. So click on settings. And from here we can see a lot of options right here, and we're going to go for the notification section. So click here on notifications, click here. And you can see the customer notifications right here, and you can see the orders, about the orders that you can modify right here. So the order confirmation email or order edited or something like that. So this is something that is sent to the customer. So this is what you can utilize in setting up or configuring your campaigns right here in Shopify. So you can also go for shipping right here that is sent to your customer, or this set automatically to a third-party fulfillment service provider. So this is probably not the customer right here, but some of it is for the customer. So you might want to check that out, and yeah, you might want to configure it. And here for the local pickup, sent to the customer right here. So this is also customizable by you. And for here, the customer. And you have a lot right here. You can see everything right here. You can edit it if you'd want to. So for example, here in the order confirmation, let's click on it. And from here, this is what the customer would see right here once they have successfully ordered something from your store. And this is how the confirmation email, order confirmation, would look like on their end right here. And as you can see, this is how it would be. And if you want to edit this right here, then you want to go here and edit code, but this is complicated right here. You need to edit the code right here. So if you don't know anything about codes, then I suggest that you do the alternative, which is going here for apps right here, and you want to go for order confirmations. And from here, you want to click on the Shopify App Store, search for it, and you would want to avail one of these apps right here so that you wouldn't have to deal with the codes. You can just configure it like easily right here. You don't need to deal with codes. Yeah, just like that. But you would need to spend money right here because they are not for free, but they have a free plan available for you so that you would choose the right one for you. And for that, you can just go back right here. Let's just go back into our notifications. Right here, notifications, here it is. And now here, you can also customize email templates right here. Basically, this is where you would be customizing all your email related that is sent to customers right here. And if you want to go for campaigns, let's say you want to promote your email or something like that, you can also go here on online store, and you can create a blog post and pages right here if you'd like that. That is a bonus one, so you can just create here. But as you can see, but this is only for those who had an upgraded plan here in Shopify that the public can access it. But if you are only on free plan, then only visitors with your password can access your store. So it's not really for the public right here. So let's go back to the notifications. And yeah, you can send emails right here for local pickup, for customer, gift cards, and so much more right here. And yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you as a guide in starting in configuring and setting up your email campaigns and email related functions here in Shopify. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.